Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce one of the most important components in any HVAC&R system, the vibration absorber. When compressor operates, it generates a lot of pulsation and vibration, and if these vibrations are transmitted to the copper piping, this can lead to stress, noise, refrigerant leak and even premature failure of piping system. That's where vibration absorber comes in. It's designed with stainless steel corrugated hose reinforced with high strength stainless steel braided wire and fitted with precision copper end connections. This construction effectively absorbs compressor vibration. At Royal, we are committed to delivering high quality full range of HVAC&R components that meet global standards.